Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a Super Pusheenicorn. So let's get started. To draw this magical Pusheen, let's first start by drawing the top of her head. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a soft curve. And then I'm going to start to pop up her ears. So I'm just going to draw a curve, kind of round off the tip and come down. So same thing on this side. Just go up, round off the tip, come down. So we have her ears in. Then from there, let's bring this curve down. And then on this side, it's just going to angle in a little bit. So that's the difference right here. This is going to be a little bit rounder, and this is just be a little bit more angled and straight. From there, before I begin anything else, let's come back up here and we're going to draw the stripes on top of her head. So there's 3 of them. So there's kind of like 3 U's right there on the top. And then let's come to the center and say about right here. Give myself a point, and I'm going to start to come down with a straight line and curve it up. Same thing on this side. Then from there, let's come to the side, about in this area, and I'm going to draw a very soft curve. Same thing on this side. So this is for her eyes. I'm just going to go in there and thicken it up. There. It's so cute, right? Okay, so then from there, let's start to bring this down. We're going to go nice and round on this side. And then on this side, it's going to start to kind of curve in a little bit. And then it's going to start to come out. So we're going to curve in and start to come out. And let's slowly build back and forth. And say about right there, I'm going to stop because I have this little hand I'm going to draw. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish the curve. But I'm going to stop about right here. And bring out a little curve for the hand. And then let's finish our curve. So I'm going to continue this out. Nice and round. And let's come about right here and bring this around. So I'm just going to go back and forth. Keep bringing this down. So I'm just going to keep rounding it off. I'm basically kind of building this little jelly bean shape. So about right here, I'm just going to keep coming down. And about right there, I'm going to stop. So just kind of say about right here, kind of like in this little dip area. Let's come down. And about right here, I'm going to draw the legs for pushing, I mean. So about right there, I'm going to stop. Draw a little curve that comes out. Then I'm going to continue my curve upwards. About right there. I'll stop again for the other leg. So about right here. Bring a little curve in. And then now I can finally continue and bring it around. So let's bring this all the way back. There. Nice round little shape here for Pusheen. Okay, then let's come back right here, kind of where this hand is, come right across and say about right here, between the eye and the mouth, about right here, draw the other hand. There. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the body part. Let's come up here and add a unicorn. Add a horn. Oh my goodness. So we're going to come right to the center, come up, say about that much, round off the tip and come down. And I'm just going to add, let's see here, just add some curves in here. Give our horn some detail. And of course, whiskers, I almost forgot. And where the eye is, come about right here and pop out 2 curves. And then on this side, it's going to be about right here. 2 curves as well. Okay, so finally we're done with that. Let's say about right here, we're going to add the stripes on her body before I forget. So 2 of them. Right there, and then now the wings. So in this area where you've created this little dip, we're going to draw the wings. So we come out with a curve. Now let's go up And nice big wing, so about right there. I'll bring it in. And there's 3 curves, so there's 2. And it's going to get smaller. And bring it in. Gonna kind of pop it in here a little bit. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the mane on Pusheen right here. So I'm gonna start about right in this area and just draw a curve down. And I'm just gonna imagine it being overlapped. And so it's gonna come out, say about right here. Give it a little curve and bring it back in. There. Okay, so then we're going to draw the back wing. So say about right here. Following this wing right here, I'm just going to go up. So in this area, I'll start to bring it in. And just about right here, just finish off the curve and tuck it in for the other curve. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the tail. So in this area, kind of about right here. Let's see, about right here, I'll start and I'm just gonna go ahead and curve out. Bring it in, and about right here, I'll flick it out. And then just tuck it in right here. There. That is pretty much it, right? Except we're gonna have to give Pusheen here a mark. So on the original drawing, there's this big moon shape right here. So I'm not gonna make mine that big. So I'm gonna add it about in this area. And I'm just gonna go around, drawing like a backward C. And then let's complete the curve. There. And of course, I'm gonna add a heart, right? So in this area, I'm gonna add a little heart to make it my Just So Cute Super Pusheenicorn. Okay, so then from there, let's add some stars if you like to make it more magical. So I'm just gonna add 3 stars at different angles here and there. So 1, maybe this one will be bigger. Let's change up the size. If you need help drawing stars, check out my How to Draw So Cute How to Draw Stars video. And one more right here in this area, this smaller one. And one more. So there, that is pretty much it for the drawing part of our Pusheen. So now let's go ahead and color it. So that was like the simplest coloring I've ever done on a drawing, and it was so simple that I just had to add some blue right here because I couldn't resist. But hopefully this drawing right here inspires you to draw it too. And thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.